Hey buds! Welcome to our next episode of... Do you know what it's called?
Nope. Hey, what you making?
Hey, what you making?
Hey, what you making?
Alright, so today we are going to make, or the kids are going to make, one of our favorite little snacks called banana bread cookies. So if you have a whole bunch of yuck bananas and you don't want to make banana bread, this time maybe you want to make something different. This is a really good recipe that you can make with the kids. They're good for a snack, they're good for breakfast on the go, they're good to just grab and eat whenever. It's one of our faves. So Greta and the girls here, we got Greta, Anya, Elsa, and Elin, they are going to make these cookies for you. And I'm going to just stand off to the side a little bit and watch what's going to happen. All right, girls, so get ready, get started, get your cookies done.
So first what you gotta do is melt the butter and the sugars together on the stove, which I already did.
Okay. Next, what you have to do is mash the bananas into a bowl, right? Show them what you're doing, Elin. Mashing up the bananas. And then while you're doing that, you're gonna add some sour cream to the bananas.
Also.
You can use that scraper over there to get it out into the bowl. And then we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Elsa, do you want to do that?
Yeah.
All right. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Anya, you can scrape out the banana from the mashed too. Careful. Wow. Okay.
Okay, don't touch it. I need to do this.
Go ahead. This might take a while. 2. Oh, we're getting older. There we go.
Woo!
Alright, Elin, you're going to put in some more sugar there.
Put that.
And then, who's cracking the egg?
Me. I'm the best at it.
You're the best at it? She's the best at it. Anya, you want to start stirring that? Make sure you don't get any shells in there.
I never do. Can I
Put
put
your
that way?
shell here. Not yet. Okay, so we're going to stir up our banana and our sour cream and our egg and our vanilla. And then after we get that all mixed together, we're going to add our brown sugar mixture in there with the butter. That mixed together good. You want to show what we're doing here. You can see them mixing it all up. Okay, so Greta, why don't you pour the butter and the brown sugar mixture into the bowl. Nice. Nice pouring, Greta.
Thank you. I'm a professional pourer.
You are a professional pourer. All right. Do we want to scrape that out too?
Yes, we
Can
really
you use
do.
your spoon, Anya?
Thank you. Okay, never mind. Hold it up. Like that. Okay. Thank you.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes the weird work.
Teamwork makes the weird work.
Alright, I think that's all.
All right, so give that a good mix. And then, Elsa B, this is our baking soda, baking powder, and
Elsa B.
salt. Why don't you add that to the flour? Dump that into the flour.
Dump the flour.
And then we're gonna dump the flour into our, you're gonna do the chips, Chipper.
Oh.
Okay? All right. Slow motion, Elsa. Oh, let her get all that mixed together, and then we're gonna put chocolate chips in because chocolate chips makes everything better.
Chocolate chips are better than walnuts. Especially in pancakes.
I love
It's beautiful. It really brings out my eyes.
This is what the batter's gonna look like. It's gonna look a little wet, so what you wanna do is put it in the fridge for maybe a half an hour before we put it into the oven to bake. The cookies were in the fridge for about a half an hour. The dough is a little bit more firm so that we're able to put it onto the cookie sheet. While we were waiting, we lost half the kids. They went down to walk their goats on leashes because that's what every kid does. So I've got these two here to help me, and they're gonna help me get the cookies onto the cookie sheet. So we just wanna drop some cookies. We don't measure, we just kind of drop them on there. You can make them big, you can make them small, but try to keep them the same size. Yours are way bigger than mine. Let's try
Good
it
sheet, that's
and
the
be
best.
that's let's try and be a little uniform here. All right, so we got our cookies plopping down on the sheet here.
But I wanted to
That's
put
good.
that one there.
But too bad, dude. They don't need to look like anything fancy. Next step, just put them in the oven. All right, you got that? Thank you. And we wait. All right, smells like they're done. Here we go. There you have it. You just want to cook them just long enough so that you get a little bit of brown around the edges. And they look delicious. There you go, banana bread cookies. Do you want one?